Hi, I'm going to show you how to skip the first email in a sequence of emails, and I'm going to talk about the MAB system and why we need to do this and how to do this, but this can also be applied in other situations. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dreams. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, clicking the button here or around the screen, and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about the Builderall MAB system, affiliate marketing, make money online, digital marketing. So first, why do we need this for the MAB system? Well, we have a sequence of emails with the first email, which is the welcome email, if they are coming from the opt-in pages. But what happens if a Builderall lead is directly copied into the main list? They are receiving the same first email welcoming them as if they were coming from the opt-in page. So we don't want that if the people are coming from Builderall leads. That's what happens if we come here. This is a affiliates page. We go to leads, and if we click here, we choose the main list here, this one, and this is what we did. We all did, setting up the system. Okay, and if this list is here, everyone who is signing up in Builderall under us is going to be copied to that main list. But they will be receiving that first email, which is not good, which is a welcome email as if they were coming from an opt-in page. So we don't want that. So we're going to change something to solve this. And the fix that I'm going to show you will also have a side effect, very, very beneficial side effect, which is that we are going to be able to use segmentation just to know which leads come from Builderall and which come from the opt-in pages, which is a key factor in digital marketing, also in affiliate marketing, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new list just for Builderall leads, and then we're going to copy those Builderall leads into the main list with an automation. Don't worry, it's going to be very simple, and I'm going to show you step by step. And the third step is we're going to use a tag to skip the first email. So step one, we need to create a new list. We go to our dashboard, apps, and MailingBoss. And now here we're going to create a new list here. We just type in the name, for example, BA leads. We're going to copy this here and here. We click continue. And here we need it to be single opt-in. And here we need to put our URL, but for this case, Builderall allowed us to specify builderall.com and just say these are going to be our leads from BA, something like that. Okay, and we click continue. And here we need the email field and the first name. So we're going to click here and save changes. And here we go to fields. This is BA leads list. So we go to fields just to check that we have email, and the real name of the field is email, and here we have F-name, so it's correct. Now we go back to the page called affiliates, and we go to leads on the left menu. So we come here again, we click on options, save email list, and here we're going to choose now the new list that we just created. It's here, BA leads. Okay, and you click save. I'm not going to do it because I already have mine saved. Okay, so you click save. So that's going to put every Builderall leads that we get from now on into that list, the BA leads list. Now, step two, we go back to MailingBoss here where we were before, and we just go to workflow here on the top menu. And here, this is the workflow where we configure the automations. Now we're going to drag this element list, just drag it here. And we're going to choose the list that we already created, BA leads list. We click OK. And now we're going to say when someone subscribes to this list, that's what this green little button with an arrow means. So if someone subscribes to BA leads list, we're going to copy the subscriber to another list. And we're going to select the list here, which is the TYFN main list, which is the MAB system list. And we just click OK. So now we click once and then drag it a little bit here just to make some room. This is going to copy automatically any new BA leads coming to this list into the main list for the system. And now we're going to click here again and we say when they get into this list, we also want to insert the tag value. So we just go here and say BA lead. Now we go to here and we just put a name like BA automations, for example, and we click save. And this applies this workflow to the lists. And now step 3, we need to go to top menu, campaigns, email sequence. And in this page, we go down to the bottom and we're going to choose 100 here just to see all of the email sequences in one page. We have to go down and down here until we find this TYBL1 intro. And in the first email, we're going to click on this exclamation mark button. And here, we're going to click on this big blue button, post sending an update. So here we are editing the first email. And we're going to click on this blue button, add tag filter. And we're going to type here exactly the same name of the tag that we put in the workflow. Sorry, BA lead. This needs to be exactly the same name of the tag we put in the step number 2. And this here, we have to choose must not have the tag. So now we go down and save. And once we already saved it, we go here to confirmation and we just click save and activate. And now it's active again. And that's it. We have it ready. So they are going to get all the emails except the first email because it's configured to be sent to people who don't have this BA lead tag. I hope you find it useful, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe here or on the screen and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want me to make a video about a specific topic, about Builderall or the MAB system or digital marketing, affiliate marketing, just tell me in the comments, okay? And see you in the next video.